What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Verasity here, and as we can see, it looks as though we are still coiling up here, basically waiting for that move to the upside. You can see basically what's been happening is we're still just ranging in this little area here that we have been outlining for the past few weeks. It's quite interesting actually that a lot of people think that crypto it mostly just goes up or it goes down, but you actually spend pretty much 75% of the time, we would say at least, just ranging in little areas of the chart before having like big impulsive moves to the upside or the downside. You can see here there's a little range here, a little range here, and now we've been putting in a decent range here as well for an even longer period of time really, haven't we? So overall, as you can see, Verasity looking really strong in our opinion. I think we really are, considering the recent fundamental news that we have been hearing about, we are just waiting for that really big next move to the upside in our opinion. You can see here, this is an incredible move, isn't it? All the way down from around, this is like a fifth of a, what is it, a 20th or a 10th or a cent or something, all the way up to that 5.5 cent level. You can see we did lose that bull market support, which is probably what's led to such a, dramatic move to the downside when we did see Bitcoin rolling over. But we don't think that the bull market's over by any stretch of the imagination. And you can see quite clearly here, we're just heading up with higher highs and higher lows right now. We're still making higher lows by a long stretch and some higher highs as well. And we do think, as we said, with that recent fundamental news that we have been hearing about, that we are going to see a really nice move for Verasity soon. It's basically a ticking time bomb right now, isn't it? It's just ranging, going sideways. The volume is super low. Going into the new year, obviously, for most assets, the volume has been low over the past few days. And you can see, we're still respecting this range, aren't we? If we just pull this out a little bit more, because it looks like we're going to continue in this range for a little while. But you can see resistance, support, resistance, support, 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 resistance, resistance. And now it looks like we're coming back down to retest support again. And we'll probably most likely get a bounce in that area. So right now, nothing to say for Verasity today, just ranging, not doing too much, slowly making our way back down to the bottom of the range to probably get a bounce in this area. And that's probably what will be the case because Verasity, it's got a lot of demand right now, and when it does come down to support, you will get a lot of buy orders coming in this area, we would say, especially in and around that 3 cent level, which is, a very nice entry point, really, if you're looking for 50 cents to $1 price targets or beyond, which is something that we're looking for. So that would obviously be a really nice 20, 30, maybe even 40x on your money, which would be absolutely insane. So we'd say, realistically, Verasity looks like it's heading back down towards the bottom of this range. And, with the low volume, it looks as though it's just slowly trickling to the downside. So in terms of, short-term price predictions, heading back down to the bottom of the range for the short term, we would say at around that 3.15 cent level, somewhere here. And then heading to the upside, would say if we do want to be, we want to be realistically heading back up towards that 4.3 cent level, breaking out of the range. And we also want to be heading out of this resistance here that we have put in, currently looking like it's at around, what would you say if we broke out of it up maybe like 4.6 cents in this area. We really want to see ourselves getting back up above this and then making some strides back to the upside, basically to see ourselves reversing this trend that we have been in. You can see this is the last resistance before the full reversal of the trend, and I do think if we break that, we'll be looking really good. And then, as we said, beyond that, with the fundamental news that we have heard recently about Verasity, they are essentially like the only cryptocurrency that is actually patenting that proof of view technology. They're now partnering with actual big companies in the world to actually, roll out this technology as well. And this is probably, once the market does start to flip bullish in a big way again, we do think Verasity is going to benefit heavily from these big fundamental pieces of news. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. We Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.